For Mammoth, the Domino difference really started from the beginning. It was with their outstanding sales force who really listened and understand what we needed. And then the support team around him who helped you with the pro formas, helped you do your analysis to make sure your ROI would actually happen. So to start up 2 new pieces of European equipment in March of 2020 probably wasn't the best idea. Obviously, that's when COVID hit the world. But during that process, Domino really came through with their service support, and they safely trained us on the equipment. The amazing thing is, through that period, our digital work grew 93% in 2020. We have big goals. We're going to quadruple the size of the company in the next 5 years, and partnering with Domino is one of the main things that's going to allow us to accomplish that goal.